Oh, it's moving. It's going in the water now. Hello and welcome back to the channel, everyone. I hope you guys are doing really well. A short trip towards Srirangapatnam today for a breakfast at our favorite place, Shivali on Mysore Road. For anyone who hasn't tried, please go ahead and try their dosas. It's really nice. And before we get started with the video, thanks a lot for all the subscriptions and the likes on the previous videos, and kindly subscribe if you're new to the channel. That helps me as a motivation to make more such videos. So I'm on the new Mysore Road, and trust me, it's really good. Check this out. So at Shivali right now, our favorite place for dosas, idlis, vadas. I've ordered vada first and then gonna dive into the dosas. I'm gonna start with the crispy vada. Okay, so just finished the breakfast in Shivali, and now heading towards Srirangapatnam, basically to Ranganatittu. Stopped over at Kaveri River. Looks beautiful. This is on the way to Srirangapatnam. Look at that. So finally reached Ranganatittu Bird Sanctuary, heading towards the main entrance now. It's been a while. Last time I came on the bike. It's full. It's freaking full. Let's find a parking. I'll catch you guys later. So yeah, we've just entered Ranganatittu. One thing which I didn't like was the entrance. You have to pay 60 bucks, and then again when you park your car, there's a separate entrance fee of 75 per head. And if you need boating, then you got to pay an additional 100 rupees per person. So that's too much, I feel, because I've been coming here since childhood, and there are days when we've paid just like 10 bucks, 15 bucks, and now times have changed. Tourism, you see, but can't help. So we are yet to explore, yet to go inside. I'll get back soon. So that's Bird Sanctuary. If you notice, there are a lot of birds. And right in front there's a croc. Oh, it's moving. It's going in the water now. What timing. And just like that, it's gone. So it's basically a very short ride that starts from here. They go all the way around this island, and now, as you can see, they are coming back. So I've taken this ride way too many times, so I thought I'm not gonna go in for it this time. But it's beautiful. Just got done with Bird Sanctuary. Stopped over for some sugarcane. It's really sweet. And this is my second glass. And look at this. Beautiful. Let's go for it. Really nice. It's lunchtime. Not exactly, but it's 15 past 4 right now. And in Maddur, so planning to go to Empire, build some grilled chicken and head back home. The new highway, the 6-lane highway, has made things really easy. Let me show you. I'm on the service road right now, but this highway, man, it's really good. So if you guys haven't driven or ridden on this highway, I think you should do a short ride, probably to Shivali for a dosa, or to Mysore. But this road is really good for bikers now. So yeah, I'll go to Empire and finish my lunch. Okay, so just got done with the lunch, which got prolonged. Had the regular grill in Empire, and now heading back home. It was a really good, short and sweet, closer to the nature sort of a drive. I really enjoyed driving, so this was really nice. And I will catch you guys in the next vlog, because from now onwards it's gonna be hectic traffic, so there's no point covering all of that. So guys, yeah, it's gonna be probably a cycling or a biking ride, and I shall catch you soon. And don't forget to subscribe. That's the message. Thanks for watching, guys.